Social Welfare Minister Paul Lindo has rubbished the allegations on rice scam. He informed that the inquiry committee has found more illegality during its probe. A report of the World Health Organization has highlighted the significant impacts of Har Ghar Jal program on public health and economic savings. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that Jal Jeevan Mission was envisioned to ensure that every Indian has access to clean and safe water, which is a crucial foundation for public health. President Draupadi Murmu has returned to New Delhi after the successful conclusion of her two-nation state visit to Suriname and Serbia. Election Commission has initiated the first level checks of electronic voting machines and paper trail machines across the country in a phased manner ahead of the Lok Sabha elections next year and the assembly polls in 5 states at the end of this year.